Quick video how to fix scroll volume button on a Razer BlackWidow keyboard. If you have this problem where you're spinning this little dial and your volume jumps all over the place, I found a very easy way to fix it without taking the keyboard apart, especially if you're out of warranty. It was really annoying because I was turning it like 2 clicks this way and it was going like 6 or 7 up or down. It was completely random. So what I did, I got one of these. It's a electronic cleaner. What I did is I used this little nozzle. It didn't destroy the plastic, so what I did is I just literally put it in here, like literally put it in there, and just give it like a quick spray. And that fixed the button. So right now, when I'm turning it, look, it just goes one at a time, see? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, backwards. Right now, just one at a time. So problem solved. I hope this video helps. You could find these on Amazon. They're the QD electronic cleaner, CRC.